Hi, and welcome back to Simple Sundays Cooking with Zion. On today's menu, I'm going to be doing an imitation crab pasta salad that would accompany practically all my shows with the food. Salmon, the hamburger, the carne asada. It's a really great dish to take to a barbecue. It's simple, easy, and I will be getting to that menu right after this. So we're going to go over our ingredients. I took the initiative. I already boiled my pasta. It's the tricolor Ritoni. These are, I use 2 boxes, 12 ounces. So those are ready to go. I have my American parsley, little bundle. I use, depending on how much herb you like, that's up to you. But this is just one little bundle. I also have a little bundle of Italian parsley. I have a little bundle of chopped cilantro that I put afterwards because I'm going to saute the bell peppers. This is one whole bell pepper, red bell pepper. This is one whole small onion that I use that I'm going to saute. Then of course my garlic. Also then I have the canned mushrooms, which I will just put in after this. I saute the other herbs. So and then my salad dressing, which I always use, Greek. And that's about it, and I'll get started. Right now, I'm going to move my way to the stove. I use the extra virgin olive oil, and it's about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I already have it nice and warmed up, ready to take the vegetables. So I'm going to start sauteing the red bell pepper. I'll put that in there. Then I place the onions in there. And we gotta really allow them to sweat so all the flavors are released into the oil. And I will put my garlic. I like garlic. So that's probably 2 to 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. And that should do it. So I put the bell pepper, the white onion, and the garlic and cooked them for a while till they were translucent. Now not caramelized. You want them still nice and crispy. So translucent, and then I added the 2 types of parsley, curly and Italian parsley, which it should look like this. So you don't overcook the herbs. And right after that's done, then I just place it right over the pasta. This is going to be the first ingredient that goes in there, and it has the olive oil in there, and I did salt it. So you got to salt your herbs when you're cooking them. So just like that. So these are the herbs that I sauteed, and I used probably about 1.5 cups of the Greek salad dressing. And this is how you want it to look. You want it to just be them to not stick to the pasta sticking to each other. It's nice and flaky. And I mixed all the herbs and the bell pepper, onions, and garlic nicely together. So this is ready for the other ingredients. I use mushrooms. I use canned mushrooms today. These are 14 ounces, but when they're strained, dry weight is 8 ounces. So 16 ounces, a pound of canned mushroom. I'm using the kosher imitation crab, so it's friendly to people who have food allergies. And then, just salt. So I'm gonna go. You can also use, before I forget, I normally also use fresh sauteed mushroom, but not today. But these will do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in. I flaked the crab. As you can see, this is I believe for 12 ounces. Correct, producer? I think it's yes. Okay. So I flaked it there, flaked them a bit, and you can use more imitation crab if you choose to. Then I just use a little bit of cilantro, and I might have to still use a little bit of some more dressing or just strict olive oil. And I'm gonna use my other hand to put the salt, and salt to your tasting. There we go. Let's give it a swirl. Look at this. And I haven't made this recipe in quite some time, and it looks absolutely amazing. Here we have the finished product. Hopefully you made it Proud Mary, Tina Turner style. So this is what it looks like. And also, I use the 2 boxes. If people are cooking for a smaller group of people, just cut everything in half. Use only 1 box of colored Ritoni. And then with the herbs, you just cut everything in half. And you should be good. However, I make a lot. I like to keep in storage. Because, like I said, it accompanies a sandwich, a steak, fish, you name it. This goes with just about anything. It's very fun. So I'm going to go ahead and serve myself some. As you guys can see here, look at this. This is delish. Perfect. Al dente. Delish. And also, I can accompany this with my recipe chipotle spread. And you can add a little bit of that on there if you choose. And it just, everything's flavorgasm. Thank you guys. Remember, like, share, subscribe. For everybody out there, appreciate it. So this is Simple Sundays Cooking with Zion. Stop cheffing around.